Welcome to Chabra Housing. My name is Amadi. Today I have come up with one of the luxurious property at Sion near BKC Connector, which is developed by K. Raheja and the property name is Amaltis. Whereas this property is developed into 2 acres of land parcel with only 2 towers. Come, let's check out this property in detail. If I speak about the structure of this property, the structure of this property is from ground level till 20th floor. If I speak about the elevations, the elevation would be 3 level of basement car park. Ground floor would be the double-heighted lobby which contains some of the internal amenities, and as well as there would be 2 level of podium car park which would be first floor and second floor. As well as there would be 17 habitable floors. So the habitable floors would be starting from third level of this structure. If I speak about the configuration in this property, the configuration would be 3 BHKs, 3.5 and 4 BHK apartments. The sizes would be ranging from 1350 carpet area ending up to 2180 carpet area. So this is some of the renders where how the property would be looked and how will be the feel of this property after getting completed. So if I speak about this property have a proper security with CCTV cameras. It is a proper gated community with only having 3 and 4 BHK luxury, ultra luxury apartments. So this would be the proper drop-off zone for the client, and then the driver or the person who is driving can take the cars towards the park. So this is the lobby area, which is inspired by Artesia, one of our luxurious property at Jodi. There are 30 plus amenities in this property, which is divided into 2 levels. One would be the ground level, and the second level would be the rooftop amenities, whereas it contains swimming pool and much more amenities inside the properties. If I speak about the connectivity of this property is very centrally located in Mumbai. So if this is just opposite to the BKC Connector, you get a very easy access towards the freeway. Also, you can connect towards South Mumbai, western side, as well as Central Line. So you get a proper connectivity. So come, let's check out the sample flat of this project. So this project sample flat is developed of 3 BHK, which is 1612 carpet area. So this is the entrance of this flat. And if I speak about the floor to ceiling height, the floor to ceiling height is a clear 11 feet height. This is a proper living area of this property, whereas you'll be getting a deck area as well. So you get a proper full French window on the deck. Here would be your dining area of this flat. So you can set up your proper dining space over here. There else we can directly access to the kitchen area over here. So this flat contains the kitchen area where you will be, you can make roadside parallel platform with a proper utility space over here. So this is a proper utility space over here. Also there is a storeroom which you can also use it as a servant room over here. So this is a proper storeroom where you can use it as a storeroom, servant room. Also there is a washroom attached. So let's access to the one of the master bedroom of this flat. So this is the master bedroom with an attached washroom area. So this is the main master of this flat, whereas you can set up your proper walk-in wardrobe over here. Then you can directly access to the bedroom over here. Here is your washroom attached. And on the other side of this flat, there is one of the quarter washroom over here, which is called as a common washroom. And then you have a master bedroom, which is also called as a guest bedroom. This is a bedroom area. And on the entrance, on the left hand side, there would be a proper washroom area with a bath area. Thank you for watching our video. For more details, please click on the link below and do remember to like, share, subscribe and also comment.